Hey, everyone! Welcome to Polished Perfections, the go-to place for all things finance and wealth building. Today we've got an episode that's going to make a significant impact on your financial well-being, boosting your credit score fast with 5 powerful strategies. You won't want to miss these game-changing tips. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering financial content. Let's get started. Understanding the basics. Alright, folks, before we get into the strategies, let's quickly go over why your credit score matters. Your credit score is like your financial report card, and it influences everything from getting a mortgage to securing a low interest rate on a car loan. So, boosting it fast is a smart move. Strategy 1. Check your credit report. Errors on your report can drag your score down. Get a free copy of your report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for inaccuracies, and if you find any, dispute them immediately. Strategy 2. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is a major factor in your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Timely payments can have a rapid positive impact on your score. Strategy 3. Reduce credit card balances. High credit card balances relative to your credit limit can hurt your score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Paying down those balances quickly can give your score a powerful boost. Strategy 4. Become an authorized user. If you have a friend or family member with a good credit history, ask if you can be added as an authorized user on their credit card. This can positively impact your credit score. Strategy 5. Negotiate with creditors. If you have outstanding debts, don't be afraid to reach out and negotiate. You might be surprised how willing they are to work with you on a repayment plan that fits your budget. There you have it, boosting your credit score fast with 5 powerful strategies. Implementing these strategies can make a real difference in a short amount of time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with anyone who could use a credit score boost. Thanks for joining me today on Polished Perfections. I will add some more information below to help you achieve your goal to financial well-being. Until next time, take care.